So here we are at the bike and we're going to check the tyre pressure. So I have my 20-pound Halford's foot pump here, which is just what I use to pump it up. This also has a PSI gauge on it. It's going to be within 1.5 PSI of, say, something you'll find at a pump at a garage. So if you go Tesco and you fill up your tyres and then you go from Tesco to BP and try their air pump, you could be out by a PSI and a half. That's usual tolerance, so as long as you're within that, you'll be all right. And with wet weather out there at the moment, don't be going out in storms, but it's all wet. Definitely be checking your tyre pressures. So this is by Michelin. It's £20 off eBay. All you do is press the on button. You can set a front and a back, but it's pointless really. You just put that in your valve and you press down until you hear the air, and there you go. 37 psi. So I set the rear of mine to about 36 and I set the front to about 34. And on wet weather like today, a £20 gadget like this, £20 foot pump, can literally save your life. So please guys, it's worth, 20 quid investment here. Even if you don't buy the foot pump, you can check what your pressures are before you go out for a ride. Just check them every week, 2 weeks. It takes 2 minutes to do. Ride down to your local garage, put your air pressures in, and stay safe.